Wyn, must be delighted to get a win after that 5 defeats in the spin.
Yes, very important. It was a big game for us tonight as a team, as a squad, as a club. It was very important to get points on the board. A draw, a win, but the players dug in very deep. A couple we had carrying knocks, and they put their bodies on the line, as everyone could see tonight. I appreciate everything that they all have done tonight. It was a battle, there was commitment, there was passion, and there was a willingness to drive on and go win a game. And when you've got people like Craig Williams with the delivery that he's got and the quality of Rhys Griffiths to finish the ball, that's all you need. That's all you need.
And very, very tough conditions tonight, and credit to both sides for managing to get a game on in that. How pleased are you to get off the win from in that horrendous evening?
Yeah. But Phil the groundsman, Paul Claude, he's done very well to get the game on. I know how much work Phil does, and we as a team appreciate what he does. Like you said, the pitch got worse and worse as the night went on. Some of the players couldn't believe it went on, but like you said, the win was very, very important for us to stop the rot at home, which has been much of a concern to us all year. But hopefully now that I'm not saying we've turned a corner, but we certainly know how to go out to perform and win matches. The players have all raised the bar this evening in the attitude, the commitment, the willingness to do more, and we had the goal, which was important.
You've spoken in previous interviews about cutting out silly defensive mistakes, and aside from Martin Rowe's header that's hit the post, we've limited Port Talbot to pot shots a goal. How pleasing is that as well?
Yeah, very pleasing, very pleasing. It was frustrating because we've got certain players in certain situations where you just need to clear the ball. And we spoke about it half-time and second half, we just did that. We cleared the ball, we turned in the right areas, we got up the park, which helped. And then, like I said, with the quality of Craig Williams and the header with Rhys, that's all we needed. And then it was just to grind it out. Any balls that fell, we just turned. And it was back to basics, and that's what we did well.
And a quick word about our goal scorer, Rhys Griffiths there. He did have much in front of goal, but when he has had it, he's taken it straight away.
Yes. It was a great delivery from Craig, to be fair to him. It was a brilliant ball. He delivered one just before it, but we didn't get on to it. But that one, it was right on Rhys's head, and Rhys has done it for many, many years, and he puts it away, and I'm pleased for that.
We've signed 2 players today with 2 new lads coming into both of the back lines at the end of the summer, the January spending for us.
I hope not. I hope we can get a couple more in. There is talk of a couple more, but hopefully over the next few days we'll see what happens, and then we go on to Thrill, which will be interesting because they're a good team. It'll be a long journey for us. It'll be a Friday night game which the lads enjoy, and the floodlights. I'm hoping the weather will get better, but if the weather doesn't get better, we'll be ready for that challenge. We'll be ready for the battle again. The lads know what it takes now, and hopefully they can keep hold of that and take it into the next game.
And of course, you've got 2 weeks off now until that real game. What's going to happen in the meantime?
Hard work. Simple. It's going to be hard work, hard graft, working on shape, working on the basics, working on set plays. Busy time.
Wyn, many congratulations for the evening, and enjoy night.
Thank you.